Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a really quick unboxing with you guys. This is one of my most exciting bag purchasing in my life ever. So I can't wait to show you guys, and let's get started. So I purchased, of course, the Hermes bag. It come up like in boxes, orange boxes like this. Unfortunately, I already opened up. I was so excited. I cannot wait. I'm so sorry. But it comes, so once I open the ribbon and open the boxes, what it's inside is that I have this bag inside. I already take a look and I put it back right away. I never really opened it up. I only look at the surface. I want to look at the inside with you guys together. Okay, and inside it has a cushion to settle the fondle, the handles, and then it has a booklet. I think this is a raincoat. I never really take a look at this. This is a raincoat like this, and then it has a small booklet, I think, talking about how do you taking care of the leather and things like that. It's something like this. Not a big deal. I know you guys are not really interested on those things. So let's open up the bag. So this is the bag. I think many of you might already imagine what I am gonna unboxing, but you can guess the color. If you want, please comment down below what's your favorite color, Hermes colors, and I'm gonna show you. I was so lucky that I get offered to this bag. So this is what I got. So I got the Hermes Birkin in size 30, in this great color. This is, I think the color code is 8F. It's grisetain. So it's with rose gold hardware like this. This is a Birkin 30. So this is a handle. It's very easy to go with, and this is the front and side and the back side of the bag. So this is how I already take a look at this, but I never really open it up. So let's open it up together. How exciting it is. So I was so lucky to get offer of this bag from my SC, my lovely SC. I was telling them I'm interested in a small Birkin because my body frame is very small. I'm only 5'2", by the way. So I was originally thinking about actually a 25, but I'm so happy that I didn't go with 25, because when I look at this real bag, even though on the video, believe me, I've been watching enough videos on Birkin 25 and 30 and stuff. Everybody is telling you 25 is so cute and so forward, but actually I think 30 is the right size. So believe me, in real life, if this is your first Birkin, please get a 30. 25 will be too small for you for the price that you are paying. Okay, so inside I think this is a lock. So this is a lock that we can put on, I think. Like this. I don't even know how to do it. You guys have to show me. I don't know how to do it. I have to watch some videos. I'm totally new in this community. But I do love this bag so much. So that's a lock like this. Okay? And then this what's inside. It's just open. It has one compartment in the front and a zip compartment in the back. Like this. So this is the entire bag. So I guess that's about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. And I think that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If any questions, comment down below. I'll use it for a few months or a few days and let you guys know how things are going. But I think for me, I think this is totally the right size. Even though in the video it's very big, but believe me, if you are getting a real Birkin, I think this is definitely the right size to you. 25 would be too small for the first Birkin. I've seen a lot of people complain about the handles is too small. If in the winters you wear any thick clothes and you cannot get your handle through, which 30 doesn't have any of that problems. So I'm very happy with this purchase, these colors and this size and these combinations. I hope you guys enjoying this video, and talk to you guys later. Bye bye.